friends, I'm Barry the Bear, and welcome to the Harvest of the Month. This month, we will be learning about kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is an edible fruit of a woody vine plant. The Spanish name for kiwi fruit, or kiwi, is kiwi fruit and kiwi. The fruit received its name because of businesses in New Zealand named it after their national bird, the kiwi.
Did you know kiwis are actually a berry? You can even eat the skin. Try eating it like an apple. Kiwis are one of the most nutrient-dense of all fruits. Kiwis originated in China, where the fruit was cherished for its delicious flavor and emerald green color.
Seeds were brought to New Zealand from China by missionaries in the 20th century. Kiwi plants were then exported to the U.S. in 1906. California is the only state that commercially produces kiwis for the U.S. market. California produces 95% of all kiwis grown in the United States.
A 1/2 cup of sliced kiwis, or about 1 medium kiwis, is an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K. It is also a good source of fiber and potassium. Vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Fiber is important for proper bowel functions. Vitamin K helps with blood clotting and building bones. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressures. Check out the link below of this amazing fruit salad recipe from eatfresh.org. What is your favorite kiwi recipe?
Kiwis grow on large, tender vines that can reach to a height of 15 to 30 feet. These vines require sturdy support from the trellis. In California, buds form in mid to late March. Does anyone else hear that buzzing noise? Must be those busy bees moving pollen from the male to female vines. Following pollination, the fruit grows rapidly for the first 60 days and then slows until harvest. Harvest begins in late September, with the majority of the fruit harvested during October and early November. Kiwis are one of my favorite fruits and can be a nutritious snack. Remember, the Spanish name for a kiwi is kiwi. Thank you for joining us for this spotlight of kiwi as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy kiwi this month? See if you can find kiwi in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.